Hi, my name's Andy Cole, occupational therapist and developer of the OT Sensory Screener. This has been a real passion project for me and I'm really excited to share with you, so let's dive in and see what it's all about. The OT Sensory Screener is a pre-referral screening tool for iPhone and iPad. It was created to help teachers and therapists quickly identify student behaviours that may be connected to sensory processing needs. We all know sensory processing can be a complex puzzle. My goal in creating this app was to make high-quality, evidence-based information accessible and easy to share, moving us away from endless paper handouts and towards a streamlined digital solution. Here's how it works. Simply select a behaviour from a list of common classroom observations. The app will then provide you with evidence-based insights into the possible sensory factors at play, along with a carefully curated list of sensory strategies you can try right away, all before making a referral to OT. When you're ready to track the trial interventions, the app generates a simple data collection form, listing your selected strategies and providing a basic framework for ongoing data gathering. The OT Sensory Screener is designed to grow and evolve. If you notice a behaviour isn't listed, you can email me directly from within the app to request it. After reviewing and synthesizing the research, new behaviours may be added in future updates. Sharing resources is easy too. Forms generated in the app can be printed, emailed, texted, or saved directly to your device. You'll also find printable, shareable resources to help support your team and families. With the latest update, I've included a brand new multi-behaviour tool, a feature I'm really excited about. Now users can select multiple behaviours for a student, and the app will search for sensory correlations and offer tailored pre-referral strategies that you can put into practice right away. Also new is a customizable visual timer, perfect for adding concrete expectations to your chosen sensory strategies. Toggle on or off the digital timer or add an all-done visual icon to help students understand when an activity is complete. Best of all, the OT Sensory Screener is a one-time purchase. No subscriptions, no hidden fees. I'm thrilled to share this resource with you and I hope you find it valuable in your practice.